In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Relight AI in Luminar Neo. If you've ever wished you could brighten a subject without blowing out the background, this tool is for you. It uses AI depth detection to treat the foreground and background separately so you can rebalance light without manual masking. A common move is to lift a person slightly and darken the background to add drama and focus. To begin, open Luminar Neo, bring in the photo you want to edit, and head to the Edit tab. That's where all the adjustment tools live, and where Relight AI will be applied non-destructively so you can refine it later. Scroll to the Creative section and choose Relight AI. You'll see three main sliders: Brightness Near, Brightness Far, and Depth. Start with Brightness Near to control the foreground, typically your subject. Move it to the right to lift the subject or to the left to tone it down. Then use Brightness Far to shape the background. Lowering it can quiet distractions. Raising it can open up a scene that's too dark. Depth defines where the handoff happens between near and far. If your subject is changing when you only intend to adjust the background, increase depth to push the effect farther away. If the background is creeping onto the subject, lower it. Make small moves and watch edges like hair, shoulders, and tree branches to keep the transition clean and believable. When the light balance is close, open the advanced controls for fine-tuning. Warmth. Near adds a touch of orange warmth to the subject, while Far adjusts the background's color temperature so both areas feel like they belong in the same scene. If you see a faint glow or cutout look along edges, use the halo to soften that and restore a natural blend. To keep results natural, avoid cranking the sliders. Match the overall direction and mood of the scene, and build the effect with subtle adjustments. A modest lift on the subject combined with a slightly darker background often creates depth without calling attention to the edit. Relight AI works best on portraits and outdoor photos with clear subject-background separation. Avoid extreme brightness differences, which can look artificial, and finish with quick tweaks in the color and exposure tools to unify tonality. With a few thoughtful moves, you'll have pro-level lighting control in minutes. No masking required.